Morning, students. I had started exercise 2.4. I hope that you will try to solve the questions of this exercise. I had solved 2 questions of exercise 2.4. Use the factor theorem to determine gx is a factor of px in each of the following methods. Gx is a factor of px if gx is equal to 0. So, I had solved two problems from 1 and 2. We have to find 3 number questions. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px. X minus 1 is 3 number questions of this exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. X minus 1, 3 number questions. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px factor of px. 1 number factor of px बराबर x square plus x plus k. x minus 1 is a factor of px बराबर x square plus x plus k, या x minus 1 is equal to 0 या x is equal to 1. Putting this value in px P1 is equal to 1 square plus px 1 square plus 1 plus k. Putting this value in px, 0 is equal to x square plus 1 plus k, या 0 बराबर 1 plus 1 plus k is equal to k plus 2, या k is equal to minus 2. So find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px. X minus 1 is a factor of px, या x minus 1 is equal to 0 या x is equal to 1. Putting this value in px, 0 बराबर 1 square plus 1 plus k, या k is equal to minus 2. Similarly 3 number questions या 4 number questions. px बराबर k x square kx square minus 3x plus k. 3x plus k. X minus 1 is a factor of px. X minus 1 is a factor of px. इसलिए x minus 1 या x minus 1 is equal to 0 या x is equal to 1. Putting this value in px, x square minus 3x plus k square minus 3x plus k is equal to 0 या k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k is equal to 0 या k into 1 minus 3 plus k बराबर 0 या k minus 3 plus k is equal to 0 या 2k minus 3 बराबर 0 या 2k बराबर 3. So x is equal to 3/2. X is equal to 3/2. The value of x is equal to 3/2. X minus 1 is a factor of px, so we can write x minus 1 is equal to 0 अथवा x is equal to 1, and putting this value in px, kx square minus 3x plus k बराबर 0 या k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k बराबर 0 या k into 1 minus 3 plus k बराबर 0. Solving this 2k minus 3 बराबर 0 या k is equal to या k is equal to 3/2. Hence the value of k is equal to 3/2. So the answer of this question, the value of k is equal to 3 number. Answer 1 of 3. 1 of 3 minus 2 and 4 number answers. 4 number answers is equal to 3/2. Now I am going to solve 4 number. In question number 4, factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. 12x square. वहाँ दे। Hey. 4 number questions of exercise. Factorize. We have to factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. And the given problem we can solve by factorization method. In this question, it is not given that using the factor theorem find the factorization of the given expression. It is not given, so you can solve in any method. You can solve this problem in any method. I am going to solve 3 number questions of question number 4. 3 number of question number 4. Factorize. Answer 3. Answer 4 number. We have to factorize 6x square plus 5x minus 6. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Here we have to factorize 66 into two parts whose sum must be plus 5 and product must be minus 36. So we can write 6x square plus 9x minus 4x. 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x, and after multiplying we get minus 36x square minus 6 is equal to 3x, taking common 3x, 2x plus 3, and in last term two terms 2 is common. Taking 2 common, we write 2x and plus 3. Here we see that 2x plus 3 is common factors. In both terms 2x plus 3, and the rest is 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. So the factorization of 6x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2. Now, in question number 4 of 3, in question number 4 of 4, 3x square minus 3x square minus 3x square minus x minus 4. Multiplying 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. And we divide into factorize into two parts whose sum is minus x and whose product is minus 12. So we can write 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4. Adding, we get minus x, and multiplying, we get minus 12x square. So 3x minus 4x is equal to minus x and 3x into minus 4x. Minus 4x is equal to minus 12x square. So 2 factors of 12 is equal to 3x minus 4x. Adding, we get minus x, and multiplying, we have minus 12x square. So appropriate factors of 12 is equal to 3x and minus 4x. Taking common from two terms, 3x into x plus 1, and taking common from last two terms, minus 4 is common, x plus 1. Here we see that x plus 1 is common factor of two terms, 3x plus 1 into 3x minus 4. Similarly, you will solve. Now, in question number 5 is same. Answer 5. First number question. There are 4 terms in this expression, x cube minus 2x square x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Taking x square from two terms, x square taking common, rest is x minus 2, and from last term minus 1 is common. Minus 1, taking minus 1, we write x minus 2. Here we see that x minus 2 is common between two terms, x minus 2 into x square minus 1. Here, using the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, so we can write x plus 1 into x minus 1 for x square minus 1 is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Hence, factorization of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is the answer of this question. So, now I hope that 3, 4, 5. In this period, I have solved 5 questions of this exercise 2.4, and only some questions have been left for you. So you will try to solve this question. I hope that you will succeed in your work. And in next class, I will start new chapter, exercise 2.5. In next chapter, 2.5, I will start in next period. Thank you.